Today we're going to cover the no tax retirement plan without using Roth IRAs. So let's go ahead and dive in. One of the things that I hear and see is the zest and the enthusiasm around Roth IRAs. And don't get me wrong, I love them too. They're a great tool in the toolbox, but they are just that, they're a tool. And so there are other ways that you can provide tax-free income without utilizing a Roth IRA and without having some crazy lending against life insurance or borrowing against other assets. This is purely a simple plan that's focused just using the regular tax code to provide that steady income. What we have here at the end of 2025, I'm going to show you a very, very simple strategy where you take from your traditional IRA, in this example $30,000, and you have a brokerage account where you are realizing $80,000 of long-term gains. Now again, very simple, no dividend interest or anything like that, and particularly not showing Social Security because that's taxed in a completely different way as well. But just $30,000 from traditional IRA and $80,000 of realized gains from long-term capital gains. And just want to emphasize that long-term gain, if it would be short-term, that is taxable as income, whereas long-term have preferred rates. Let's see how that impacts their overall tax situation. So they withdrew $30,000 from their IRA, and that is not taxed because it's below the standard deduction. So in this particular case, $33,000, $33,100 is the standard deduction. We pulled 30, so that covers that taxable income, and they're not in the 10% tax bracket. Long-term gains, on the other hand, have a different tax bracket where you can pull or you can realize up to $96,000 in long-term gains and not pay any taxes on it. So in this strategy, again, very simplified, but do not discount your other tools in the toolbox. For example, that traditional IRA, in this situation, you were never taxed. It was triple tax-free. You contributed to a 401k, let's say, and you got a tax deduction. You grew it tax-free, and then when you pulled it out, because we used that standard deduction, that's also tax-free. And so we want to use all of our tools in the toolbox, not just focus completely on the Roth IRA. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and if you did, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thank you so much.